Hi lads, this video is going to go through how to do all the activities that were outlined for you on page 39 of your graphics book. The first one you need to do is 5.1. It tells us draw a circle of radius 25mm which touches the line AB and BC. Show all points of contact on your drawing. So basically they want you to find a circle that will touch off this line here and this line here. For a circle, it's important to remember that the centre is always going to be a set distance away from the two lines. So for example, this one is given as radius 25, so what we need to do is find a line that's going to be 25mm away from the line AB, and find a line that's going to be 25mm away from BC, and where those two lines are going to meet will give us the centre of the circle, and that'll give us a point that more importantly is 25mm away from both lines. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take 25mm on your set square, measuring away from AB, and you're going to draw a light line. So what we're saying is somewhere along that line the centre of the circle is going to be, and that centre is 25mm away from there. So what I need to do now is measure 25mm away from BC. And you can see where those two lines meet is a point, and that point is 25mm away from the line BC and away from the line AB as well. Our points of contact are going to be the point where the actual circle touches off the line, so we always draw a normal for that. So a normal is 90 degrees to a tangent line, so that line there would be a tangent. There's a 90-degree line, so that would be a normal. And there's our point of contact there, and there's our point of contact there, because that one is also 90 degrees from line AB as well. So I'll label point of contact there as well. So what I need to do is take that 25mm on my compass, and you'll see that I'll be able to draw a circle that touches off both lines at one single point. And that completes 5.1. Make sure from the video to put in your notes and constructions that are given to you as well. Next one is activity 5.2. If I just tilt this down so you can see. So activity 2 tells us below shows a logo from a construction company. A partial drawing of the logo is given. Use the given dimensions supplied to complete the drawing. So basically what we have here are two lines, and we have two circles as well. So these two lines here are these two, and the two circles are going to fit in between those two lines. And more importantly, the outside circle is going to be a tangent. So it's the exact same as this idea here. So what I need to do is find the radius first. So we're told it's radius 30 for the outside circle. So what that means is there's going to be a point that's going to be 30mm away from this line here, and 30mm away from this line here. And where that point occurs is going to be the centre of our circle. So what we do is we take 30mm, and you see from our question it's actually set up to be 30 and 60. So to go perpendicular to that line there, we turn around and go 60 degrees. Take a light line out there, and somewhere along that line is going to be our centre. So we take 30mm away from this line here. So we measure out 30 from here. We'll go perpendicular to it, so basically going 30 degrees this time. And where they cross is going to be the centre of our circle. And once again, there's our tangent line, there's our tangent line. Our perpendicular lines are our normals, and where they touch of our tangent line are going to give us our point of contact there, and our point of contact there. Now we're able to draw a radius 30 circle. What I'll do is I'll draw it only in lightly first, because we're going to have two lines coming out, here and here. After that we're told the circle fits inside it, has the same centre, and we're going to take that as being 25mm. So measuring 25mm, and we'll draw another circle in lightly. The last part then tells us that this angle here is 45 degrees, and it doesn't say it, but this angle here is going to be 45 degrees as well. So I put 45 degrees out from my centre, and 45 degrees out from my centre here. And where they hit two circles, I can draw my line in there and there, and then go over my circles in heavy. Making sure to stop where the circles stop. And then take my radius 25. And that completes that question there. The next one is activity 5.3. It tells us to inscribe a circle with a diameter of 50 mm into the angle ABC. Show all points of contact on your drawing. So this is very similar to the question above here. The only difference is the line is inclined at an angle. And if we look at the angle actually given to us, it's more likely going to be 60 degrees. So we actually have to use sliding set squares for this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our centre point, that's going to be a certain distance away from BC. We're told its diameter 50, so we take half of that for the radius, and we're going to measure 25 mm up from the line BC. So what I'll just do is take a light line up there, and I'll measure up 25 mm, because that's the radius. Remember, the diameter is always double that. And I'm going to take that light line across. So somewhere along that line is going to be the centre of the circle. We just need to find where it is now. So basically we have this line AB here as well. And all we need to do is draw a line that's going to be perpendicular to that and measure 25 mm, which is the radius again. So I'm just using my t-square as my second set square, just to slide this one along to draw out my 90 degree edge here. I'll just draw a light line out there. I'll measure 25 on that line. And then now I'm going to draw that line parallel. And where they cross, there's the centre of my circle there. To find my tangent points, remember we always draw normal 90 degrees to our tangent. There's our tangent edge there, normal 90 degrees. There's my point of contact there. And because this is a horizontal line, the vertical line going straight up is going to be the normal there. And that gives me my second point of contact. All I have to do now is take my radius 25 from the centre and draw my circle in. And that completes 5.3. So just focus it there for you, then you can see it. And once again, make sure to fill in the notes and instructions that are given to you in the book. The last activity on this page is going to be figure 5.5. It tells the figure shows the outline of a set of snooker balls. Show the points of contact between the snooker balls. So when you would have watched the video, it would have shown to you that basically the point of contact always lies along the centres of two circles. So when you join the two centres together, you find the point of contact. So it's the exact same idea here. If I were to find the point of contact between this bottom one here and the centre one, I just join my centre. Join the two centres, and the point of contact will be right there. They're all on the same line, so if I join these two together, I'll get our point of contact. So I'll just work around the outside first. So all three of these will line up. So I have a point of contact here and here, and then when I complete the triangle there, I'll have a point of contact here and here. Also, on the second row then, them two are in contact. So I get a point of contact there. And then these two are in contact. I get a point of contact there. And then finally, I get a point of contact where those two meet as well. So in total you can see there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points of contact in total. And that completes that page there.